of your seat. Stop.
Get out of your seatbelt.
I am. I can't get out. She's unbuckled.
You're like that old guy with the fat belly that was on Facebook.
Mom, I can't get out. You're gonna have to like cut the seatbelt. I'm not kidding.
What's your emergency? There's a girl.
Did you unstrap?
Yes.
It's unstrapped.
How did you get stuck?
I don't know.
Oh, get out.
I can't.
Here.
I can't.
Okay, it's
Yes.
time for the doctor.
Mom, I can't.
Okay, sorry if I...
Get out.
It's going to go.
No, it hurts. Mom, you're gonna have to pull over.
I mean, how did you do that?
I don't know.
How am I going to get you out?
Pull over. I am stuck and I can't breathe.
What were you doing?
I don't know.
Well, I mean, it doesn't just twist.
I don't know, and I'm stuck. I'm gonna need you to pull over.
Well, I mean, well,
You're gonna have to pull over.
well, I can't get off there.
No, I'm not kidding, Mom. I can't breathe.
There's nowhere to pull over.
No, you're going to pull over.
Where is the whole seatbelt?
It's like
under
on